one of the things we really love about the tools that we select are the fact that they allow for really rapid speed to insight. And when you don't have that, it means that you can't iterate quickly on your designs. You can't ask new questions. So imagine that your database takes 10 minutes to return results of a query, and that's not unusual at all. As the complexity of the questions grows in our organization, the longer the query time generally. And as time goes on, you just have more and more historical data. And as Piedmont adds hospitals, it just compounds the problem. So you have 10 minutes for your query to run. You don't get it right the first time, so you try again. You make some tweaks to your query, and let's say it takes 6 attempts to get that done. So now you've waited an hour just to get your results. That's not even like productive time where you're designing your query or building a dashboard. This is just you waiting for the system to come back with an answer. So the power that tools like this have that can return results rapidly is that you can ask new questions because you haven't wasted an hour just waiting. You can move on to the next thing. You can just test theories. So the impact on Piedmont and its goals is that we end up with a lot more products that we're able to deliver that help our leadership manage the business, to reduce patient harm, to be better stewards of our resources, to reduce cost. I just downloaded the community edition as a virtual machine. I was able to get it spun up on my laptop and running fairly quickly. Probably took, 30 minutes maybe. And just started to build some apples to apples comparisons between the extracts that we had on particular data sets and a live version of that connected to Exasol, just running on my laptop. And immediately it was obvious that Exasol was performing better. I didn't have a difficult time picking it up. It's just SQL. I was able to easily load some tables and attach Tableau to it like any other database. And it was performing better and I wasn't losing features. So at that point, I'm intrigued and I'm like, okay, well, if this runs this well on my laptop, let's do a formal POC project with Exasol. Yeah, it's extremely important to me that the vendors we choose treat you like a partner and not just another sales lead for something that they're trying to pitch and bring in extra revenue, but they truly want to see you succeed with the platform. And when I have that sort of relationship with a vendor, it makes me want to be all in with the platform and really maximize the benefits and make sure that I'm taking advantage of everything that the platform can do. So it's been great to have Exasol partner with me on this, that they have a genuine interest in our success. And they've always been very accessible with a sincere desire to help. I'm definitely looking forward to the future with Exasol. It's, as I've said, it's a really fun platform. I enjoy using it day to day to solve various challenges at Piedmont. And one of the next ones for us is to acquire a general purpose machine learning platform. And we're going to set Exasol on top of that. We've already executed a POC and shown that we can get really tight integration, developing the complex data sets. And Exasol feeding that into the platform and then leveraging the platform directly within it to reach out to the prediction servers, get the results back and integrate that into Tableau dashboards. So that to me is really exciting. And your imagination is the limit. I think maybe one of the other things I'm really fascinated by is the conversation around a data lakehouse, where you're kind of combining a lot of the benefits of an analytics data warehouse with the benefits of a data lake for archival of information. I think Exasol is really well positioned to execute on something like that really well.